Good afternoon, it's EMS Automotive, manufacturers of sheet metal for older cars. We're in Detroit, Michigan, and today we're talking about our new part for the 48 to 52 Ford F1 pickup truck. We got door bottoms, a door bottom kit to fix the rust on the cars or in the pickup trucks. You know, these things always rust out. This is a very good door. Most guys would pay a fortune to have a door. We know they rust out, and we die stamped a complete inner panel. It has an offset on there. It slides right over the top. As you can see, it's exact copy of what was done on the original car. The inner piece is heavy 18 gauge steel, die stamped in Detroit by EMS. You don't have to worry about easy to weld. You don't have to worry about burning it through like the Chinese tissue paper and whatever else. And also, you can always reach us by telephone. All EMS parts leave the factory with our name and phone number on it. You always want to ask, why does somebody sell a product and they don't want to put their phone number on it, like all that black Chinese stuff sold by who knows who. The outside skin, 20 gauge steel, we have the offset on it so you can trim it, slide it up right underneath, glue it or weld it, however you want to do. We got the flanges on here already preset so you can hem it over there with your hemming tool, just like it's done on the factory. No problems. And it is sold as a kit. You just specify left or right, and we'll package all ships UPS. Thank you very much.